I would not support any increases to our ad valorem taxes under any circumstances. We have to live within our means. We have a problem in Lake County, and we've known this for a long time, and that is that our residential tax base far exceeds the healthy amount or proportion that you should have in relation to your industrial and commercial tax base. When you have a healthy commercial and tax base, it kind of props up all of those residential governmental services, and we need to do something about that. And right now, our residential property values, as you know, are going down, and we're looking at an 11% drop in our next budget cycle. And it could be worse than that, but that's what they're projecting. And we've seen this coming for a long time. We knew it was going to happen. I know 3-4 years ago, I was talking to the property appraiser, Ed Havel, about this. He was projecting this 4 years ago, that this was going to happen. And here we are with a serious situation in Lake County where we don't have the revenues to pay for our services. So I say we've got to cut back. We're going to have to prioritize our services and decide what's essential, what's non-essential, and we're going to have to make some tough decisions. But I would not support an increase in the ad valorem rate. I would suggest that we go out and we get some businesses here, and we've got some great locations for those businesses. And those locations that were mentioned earlier for businesses, we need to have them close to the major transportation networks. That is the key to getting the kind of companies that we need in Lake County.